National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Brandywine Creek at Chadsport until Thursday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:30 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 7.7 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and continue to rise to near 10.9 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 10.0 feet. The intersection of Creek Road and Route 926 near Pocopson floods upstream of Chadsport. The following is a flood statement.